Hello everyone. Today we have a Mercedes C-Class which has a really common problem. So the unit starts up, you can see the logo on the screen, then the warning sign, and the screen then will go faded. You may think it's a screen problem. It's a very common problem. We will need to remove the head unit to fix this issue because the problem is not with the screen. So to remove the unit, open the glove compartment, remove this middle plastic trim, just lift from the side and then press on the release clips and just lift it up. Here you have Torx, 2 Torx screw. You need to remove them. So the Torx are located here. Then you need to lift this middle frame. So just lift from the sides here like this, lift it up, and then it will slide out like this. Okay, now you need to be careful on the cables. So you need to disconnect climatronic and the radio cable to be able to give you more space to see the head unit here. Okay, to remove it again, you have 2 Torx screws on top side. Okay, so after you remove this, the unit you will slide out. And you need to start disconnecting all the cables from the back. So you have some push clips, then you need to slide each one out. Some of them will be quite stiff. Just twist the unit to a position that it will allow you to see better. So disconnect the big plug and start removing all this one by one by pressing on that little plugs. Okay, that's it. So this is the unit that creates the problem. Okay, we will take the unit now inside to fix it. If you experience same problem with the screen, you can get in touch with us. We will be able to fix this problem for you. You can post it to us. We will have the repair done on the same day we got the unit, and then we will post it back. We can bench test these units and to avoid any issues. So feel free to get in touch if you need this service. Thanks, bye.